The law of the earth mimics after God. He has grace and mercy, but he is also a God of justice. However, God does judge differently than the court system because the system is corrupt and unfair and unjust. That's just simply because the system uses God's name but excludes him as a whole. They tell you to place your right hand on the Bible, but they don't even follow it themselves. To get to the point, the Lord gave me revelation about pride. In Job 9, it is written that the allies of the proud lay prostrate beneath him. One of the reasons why us as Christians need to lay on our face is because we need to humble ourselves before the Lord. Now, here when I say this, I am not agreeing with the injustices of the police, so let those who have ears to hear, hear. When the police come and they have the right to arrest you and humble you, what do they tell you? They be like, lay down on the ground, lay down, which is prostrate on your face, especially if you have done a crime that is worthy of slamming you on the ground, such as curtering somebody. Hopefully y'all got what I said. Y'all know how TikTok be. God gave me a revelation that pride is a huge crime in the courtroom of heaven. We know that it was the very thing that the enemy had and has, which caused him to get kicked out. He is the king of all the children of pride, according to Job 41. Pride will have you thinking that you're God. This is why people who do ancestral worship, or even some African Americans, think that they're God and think that they control the law of the earth, and they don't. Highly deceived. So let's read. Job 9:13 says, God will not withdraw his anger. The allies of the proud lie prostrate beneath him. There was a plan to overthrow God. How foolish. Allies means in third person to combine or unite a resource or commodity with another for mutual benefit. People who come against you in pride, they usually plot together. So that is why the third of angels that were deceived by the enemy, two were also thrown out. They were beneath God. The earth is beneath God. Many of you are in pride and you forget you're a pastor, not the source. You forgot that you are a mouthpiece for God, not a on-spot prophet for man who has tickling ears. You walk around like you're bigger than everybody else because of a title and gift that God gave you. Sound like Satan to me. You forget where you came from and who appointed you for the job. Don't be like Saul, who was removed because of his rebellion. Don't be like David, thinking because you're anointed that you won't have consequences. Let this be a warning to those who revere God and don't. Nothing gets past God. So whether you respect God or not, he will judge you.